My name is Emily. I live in a small town in England. I work in a shop that sells clothes. I am 28 years old, and I live with my younger sister, Lily. Our parents died in an accident 5 years ago, so now I take care of Lily like a mother. When I was a child, my parents always said, "Money is not everything." They told us to be kind, honest, and helpful. I believed them. I thought love, family, and friends were more important than money. But things changed after my father lost his job. We had no money for good food. We could not pay school fees. We had no warm clothes in winter. We could not visit the doctor when we were sick. Life became very hard. That's when I started to think maybe money is everything. After finishing school, I did not go to college. I worked in a bakery to earn some money. I woke up early, worked long hours, and came home tired. I worked 6 days a week, but the money was not enough. Some days we only ate bread and tea. I cried in bed many nights. I wanted a better life for Lily. I wanted her to smile again. She was only 12 then, but she had stopped laughing. One sunny afternoon, I saw my old school friend, Sophie. She was wearing a beautiful dress and driving a shiny new car. Her skin looked fresh, and her smile was big. I asked, "Sophie, you look so different. How did you do this?" She said, "I work at a bank now. The money is good. I studied hard for 1 year and got this job." That night, I lay in bed thinking, if Sophie can do it, maybe I can too. So, I made a plan. I saved money and bought a second-hand laptop. I joined free online classes. I studied banking and computers every night after work. It was not easy. Sometimes I felt sleepy while studying. Sometimes I had no internet. But I kept going. I remembered Lily's sad face and my parents' struggles. I wanted to change our life. After 1 year, I applied for a job at a local bank. I wore my best clothes for the interview. I was nervous, but I spoke clearly and honestly. 1 week later, I got the job. I ran home and hugged Lily. She cried and said, "I'm proud of you, sister." Now, life is very different. My salary is good. I can buy healthy food. I can take Lily to the doctor. I bought a new table and 2 warm blankets. We even watch movies together on weekends. I also save money every month for Lily's education. One day, I was invited to a dinner party at my manager's house. The room was full of rich people. They wore expensive clothes and talked about money, cars, and holidays in Italy. But I felt something strange. Nobody laughed with joy. Nobody asked about my family or my dreams. The room was full, but I felt alone. After that night, I started to notice something. I worked all day. I came home tired. I stopped reading books. I stopped painting, which I loved as a child. I had money, but I had no time. One evening, Lily came to me and said, "Sister, you don't laugh anymore. Are you really happy?" Her words touched my heart. I looked in the mirror. I saw a tired face with no spark in the eyes, so I made a small change. I started to rest on Sundays. I painted again. I cooked dinner with Lily. We played cards and laughed like before. Now, I understand something very important. Yes, money is important. It gives us food, clothes, and safety. It helps us live a better life. But money is not everything. Love, time, health, and happiness also matter. Now, I work hard, but I also rest. I spend time with Lily. I visit old friends. I help a poor boy near our home with his books. I do not want to be rich. I want to live a good life, a life full of love, peace, and small happy moments. Because at the end of the day, money can buy a house, but not a home. It can buy medicine, but not health. It can buy a clock, but not time. It can buy a bed, but not sleep. It can buy food, but not joy. So yes, money is important. But money is not everything.